Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saint Your Bestie Binoser, aka cytouchmakeover.com. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and also hit that notification bell so that each time I'm putting up a new post, you'll be notified. Okay, basically what I'm doing today, guys, is a simple Barbie Glam. Simple, I would say. It's a Barbie Glam, and I'm gonna make it really short and precise so that I don't keep you guys too long on the platform. So first, I'm actually drawing my eyebrow, and now what I'm doing is using my spoolie to blend out those those brow liner to ensure that it is smooth and natural. And at the end also what I'm doing, it's concealing those eyebrows using my concealer. Right now I'm using my brush to blend out those concealers to make those concealers even on my skin and natural and flawless at the same time. So this white substance you see here right now is my eyeshadow primer that I just applied to ensure that the eyeshadow sits properly. So I'm transitioning with my pink eyeshadow from my 24A Artist Pass Morphe palette. And secondly, what I just applied is the orange, then the yellow. I'm blending them in to ensure those lines are not showing, to make it look natural. Okay, so the white substance I'm doing right now is the cut crease. I am cutting the crease area where I'm going to be using a different shade of yellow to give a different look actually. And now I'm applying my yellow eyeshadow on that area at the edge of the cut crease area so that we cover the line to make it look natural and those lines don't look too obvious. I blended using the same pink eyeshadow. So now I'm also using the brown eyeshadow to make the definition come out even better. As you can see, the difference is clear. With the brown, it pops more. So I'm also lining my eyes using my Mary Kay gel liner. I'm using the slim gel liner. I'm actually using the high liner, making it slim rather, because I want the beauty of the eyeshadow to come out. And under my eye area, I'm using my black eye pencil to add this dark tone to make the eyes pop, as we see. So now I just wiped out those residues from the eyeshadow, and I'm using my face primer, which is the Maybelline face primer, to cover those pores and to make my foundation sit in properly at the same time. So those you see right there are my foundations, my skin tone and a darker tone from Maybelline. The darker tone, the essence is to create shading on my face, which I am actually doing right now on my nose area, on my jaw, my chin rather, and my forehead. So I'm blending in again the foundation using my foundation brush. Remember I say the motion you go is tap. You tap those foundations in to make it sit on the face. So I'm just blending them out right now again using my beauty blender sponge to make the foundation sit even better and to go to those areas that my brush could not get to under my eyes. So now I am highlighting my face with my L'Oreal highlighter, concealer, sorry, to highlight those face. And on my nose area, what you see me doing here is using a smaller beauty blender to blend my nose area. Here I just applied my lashes, and now using my Essence banana powder to highlight my face. And for the glow, I just used my Juvier highlighter to add that glow on my nose area. Under my eyes, to complement my crease area, I used the same pink eyeshadow. And to make it pop even more and make it look more Barbie-ish, if I may say, I'm using my glitter, my pink glitter. And now I just applied my mascara. Time for the lippy, guys. So now I'm just using my MAC lip stain, and at the outer part I'm applying my Avon lipstick. And I'm gonna blend this in using the same brush to make those lines cover. That's what I'm doing right now, blending in, and now I just pat them together. And this is what I have, guys. Isn't this beautiful? This is absolutely beautiful. This is what I have right now, and ta-da! The finished product. Yes, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the video. Please, like I said, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Once again, also leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you have anything that you think I might do better, also leave it in the comment section. God bless you all. I hope you have a nice day, and thanks for watching once again. Bye for now.